How to have no name on Instagram highlight. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, you're gonna find this section of highlights over here. So first up, I'm gonna create a new highlight. For that, you'll need to click on the plus icon, checking for the stories that you wanna add to the highlight. Then click on next. Now here you will need to give a name. Then click on add. Once you have created highlight, now how to remove the name. For that, what you have to do is close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website empty character. Once you're in this website, now what you have to do is click on the option copy to clipboard. Once you have copied the empty character, now what you have to do is close this, launch your Instagram, then head towards any of the Instagram highlight, press and hold on it, click on edit highlight. Now here you're gonna find this name option. Over there, just select the name, then click on paste, click on done. And you can see that Instagram highlight has no name. This way you can easily have no name on Instagram highlight. By following the same steps, you can remove the name for other highlights as well. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.